Now connect that one to the top becket, of the hitch climber. The post of the quickie to the top becket. This into here. With that, yeah.
The top like, one, right?
Yeah, but make it slide through there, because it'll be a tighter, and then you can use that quickie as your D-ring for your chesty. Got it in? Nice. Put it to your saddle first. Connect that carabiner to you, it'll be easier. Yeah, to your center, yeah. That'll be easier if you connect it there first. There you go. Make it tight, go kind of high as you can. And when you want to make sure your rope's straight up and down, no, you're going to hang back, you're going to swing. You're going to go straight, so it's straight up and down. Vertical. Keep on going. Get closer. There you go. So it's not going to swing on you. It's more uncomfortable if it swings. Okay. So now all you got to do is connect your chesty.
It's on there right there.
And then your foot ascender first. It's easier with your foot to get off the ground. And then you put your knee. Want your gloves?
27, 64,
no, I'm gonna
72.
try to do it without gloves.
All right.
For the first time.
I got you.
See the camera?
On the first page or?
Probably maybe the second one.
Oh, I got it.
And you said my foot ascender goes on first, then my knee ascender, right?
Yeah, it's a little. You could do it how you like. I just found it's always easier to put your foot off the ground first.
Yeah.
And then you hang a little bit, and then you put your knee ascender. To me, it's always been a little easier. Clip it. Clip the helmet. Nice. There you go.
I got some close ones.
Cool, thanks. I'll send it to my grandson. He'll be like, if I say, that's grandpa?
There you go. Make sure you don't swing. It's easier if you're not swinging. There you go. And remember, you want to use your feet more than anything.
Hey, if you guys want to use this, tie on.
All right, Vince. Remember, use your feet, not your arms. Your arms are just gonna try to go below you and not outward. Yeah, there you go, like you're standing. Keep on going up. There you go. Go. There you go. You slipped out? There you go. Yeah.